again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Look what I've got. So this is May's Gelbox's monthly sub box. So this is May's box. This looks like a fun box. We've got all sweets and a cupcake. Yeah, so these are monthly boxes. I think they are cheaper to get on a subscription, but you can buy them as a one-off. And I've got a 15% discount code. It'll all be in my description box. So, shall we just get it open and see what's in it? Yeah, this does look like a fun box this month. Let's have a look. So I'll give you a sneak peek of what it looks like when I open it. Oh wow, and every month you get a different theme, different box. So this year, look, we've got donuts, sprinkles, and look at this bright paper. Right, what side does it open from? Oh wow, look at this. This looks like a fun box. Right, so this always gives you a clue as to what's in the box, because this is the tutorial. You get one of these in the box every month, and everything included in here is what you need to complete this manicure. So we've definitely got pink and blue in the box, maybe a glitter or sprinkles. I don't know. I like the look of this. This is right up my street. And there's a little practice sheet if you want to plan it out. Right, so let's just move this box off to the side and we'll get into it. Oh, we've got another vinyl sticker. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. Damn right. I like it. Cool. Oh my god, guys. Oh, I want to know where they got these. I've never seen these before. These are lint-free wipes. But they're pink Love Art ones. So these are the same as these white ones I normally use, but pink Love Art ones. Oh my gosh, guys, if anybody finds these, please let me know, because I need them. They're so cool. I have seen pink ones, but I've never seen Love Art ones. Guys, do me a favour, go on the hunt for these and find me some, will ya? Love them, they're well cute. So we've got a little pack of lint-free wipes. Oh, they're so cute. Right, we've got your cuticle oil. Look at this, it's all matching. This is going to smell like sweets. Got to, hasn't it? Oh, it smells like toasted marshmallows. It smells like, just like toasted marshmallows or something. Or candy floss. That's different. I love that. Right, so we've got that. Oh, we've got a little nail art brush. Oh, that's teeny tiny little skinny one, isn't it? Look at that. Teeny tiny little skinny thing. Little chameleon colour shifting little. That's very cute. I like it. Oh, what are these? Oh, look. Little Mickey Mouse donut heads. Chocolate ones. We've got cupcakes. Little biscuits. Strawberries. Lollipops. Oh, these are cute. Got another Mickey head one there. Oh, these are cute. I like these. I don't have any of these. I've got donuts, but not Mickey ones. What's that blue one? Not sure. Oh, look. Little cupcakes. Brilliant. Love them. Right, what else have we got? Oh, this box had to have a lollipop in it. We've got a Chupa Chups. What flavour is it? Strawberry. Yeah, it had to have a lollipop, didn't it? Right, is that it for all the knicky knacks? It is. So, let's get to my favourite bit, the gels. So, you get 4 gels in every box. Every month as well. And their gels are all 20ml, guys. They are huge. Fantastic quality gels as well. I really, really enjoy using their gel polishes. Fantastic quality. Right, so straight away I can see we've got a nice pink cotton candy. I'm going to swatch these in a minute anyway. Oh wow, look at that. That is definitely a cotton candy. Next we've got, oh gosh, yeah, that. This looks like a brighter pink. Ooh, very pretty. Right, then we've got the baby blue colour. bubblegum daiquiri. I was drinking strawberry daiquiris at the weekend just gone. I wouldn't mind trying a bubblegum one. Ooh, that's nice. These are nice colours. And lastly, look at this. So this is what's on the pinky there. Like, I was just going to say like sprinkles. Let's have a look at this. I don't have anything like this. Wow. So it's all matte glitters. Red, blue and like a creamy colour. Small hex, and it's got a fine in there as well. That's different. That is different. Right, let's get these swatched there. So I'm just going to swatch them in the order that I showed you. So this one first, cotton candy. Guys, these gels are so nice to use. If you just want to buy the odd colour, they do have some colours on the website on their own. And bear in mind, they are 20ml. Your standard size bottles are normally 7.5 or 8ml, aren't they? So you're getting a lot of gel in these bottles. Really fantastic quality. I knew we'd get fluff. They're quite a thin consistency as well. They're really nice. Look at this. Beautiful colour. Pink is my favourite colour though, to be fair. Right, then we've got this one. So this is a brighter pink. See, I wipe all the fluff off before I start, but I still end up with fluff on them. I can see it all floating. I think the heat off my lights just causes any fluff to rise and land on my nails. This is a nice colour. Very pretty pink. Bright pink. Not quite a neon. Bright pink. This is going to be a fun tutorial to do this month, isn't it? They're always fun. But I think this is more up my street with the bright, bold colours. Right, blue bubblegum daiquiri. This is nice. This is just a really nice light blue, baby blue, sky blue. These gels just apply so nice. They're really good for nail art as well, because they're so pigmented. Fantastic for nail art. Pretty blue. Right, and lastly we've got sprinkles. Dying to swatch this. This is right. I'm going to swatch it on the inside, just so I can get enough of it in there to show you. Oh my gosh, and it's jam-packed full of these sprinkles as well. So it is going to be one of them gels you have to mess about with a little bit to get them all where you want them to be, but that is so unique. Love it. I don't have anything like this. Look at that. That's really unique. I think I might give that a second coat as well, because it's a clear gel. You could build that up and it'll cure all the way through. Right, let's get these cured and top coated and then we'll have a look at them. Right guys, that is them all swatched. These just scream sweet colours, don't they? Sweet candy colours. I love them. I love all four of them. This is so unique. So unique. Gorgeous sweet colours, aren't they? I'm really excited for this one this month. So we've got the two pinks and the blue for this middle nail. We've got that. Aren't these just fun and just different? Something different. I've never seen a mystery box like it, where you get all this and everything included in the box. And we've got the little sweet treats and stuff for that nail. The nail art brush, the cuticle oil, lollipop. And guys, don't forget, I am going to ask Gelbox where they came from. Or maybe these were just the pink square ones and they've punched them out themselves. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, I want some. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Keep your eye out this week. Whether I'll stick to this exactly, I'm not sure. We shall see, but I'm excited to do something with these this week. Yeah, keep your eye out this week and we'll do something with these. But yeah, anyway guys, that is it for today. All details will be below. My discount code will be below. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.